So I am here today to share with you all a more formal review about this bob style wig that I have been rocking a lot lately. But just to make sure that I have his name and his specs and everything else correctly about it, I'm gonna read it to you from his packaging. So I'm rocking the wig, and it's a natural Brazilian Remy hair blend. She's curl iron safe, she's flat iron safe up to 400 degrees. The style name is called HH-MiMi, and the color I'm rocking is 1B. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the model that is on the packaging. And this is Miss MiMi when you get her out of its packaging. And seriously, this is her when you get her out of her packaging. This is the most effortlessly easy wig that I have had in such a very long time. Hence the reason why I'm probably wearing her to death. I kid y'all not. So this wig, like I said, is so effortlessly easy when you get it. When you take it out of its packaging, there's no lace to cut, there's no trimming that you need to do. You're going to take it out of the packaging, you're going to cut the little key card off, and you're going to put it on your head, and that is it. That is all I did. Now on the packaging it says this is 100% Brazilian human hair blend. Child, I believe them. This hair feels like Brazilian hair. This hair moves like Brazilian hair. This hair looks like Brazilian hair. You know what? You're gonna look like this wig. Honestly, it nothing about it looks cheap. Nothing about it looks, I'm just telling you, this wig is so worth the investment of you getting, and it's insanely affordable. You're not gonna break bank for this hair, but you're gonna look like you broke bank to have this kind of hair. Now this is the packaging that the wig is going to come in. It comes in this sturdy box, which is great for storage. You know, the box even look like it's expensive once you receive it. I mean, it says the wig 100% human natural blend, and the reason why it's a natural blend, it's because this wig is infused with new technology that will help the hair to maintain the sleekness that you're seeing. So like if you was to be out in high humidity or rain or something like that, your wig isn't going to poof up or spaz out on you or start looking ratty like most wigs would do when they get into certain climate weather. So this wig is infused with keratin Remy. Okay, that's why they said it's a human hair blend. So it's infused with the keratin Remy that's going to help the wig to maintain its luster, its sleekness, even if you happen to get caught in rain or if you're in high humidity. Your wig isn't going to like frizz up on you. The wig is not going to get matted and ratted all of a sudden. It's because of that keratin infusement, which is a new technology that a lot of the wig companies are starting to use for the hair to maintain its unique luster and its unique feel. So let me tell you, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. And I'm also loving the bang. See how it has the I call it the Chinese type bang because it comes past your eyebrows. So when it comes to this wig, I don't even have to do my eyebrows when I do my makeup. How convenient is that? And just to show you what I'm talking about, don't laugh, but I didn't do my eyebrows today. But you see how easy the wig have me put together, okay? So that's another great thing about this wig. Something else about this wig is super, super interesting. I'm loving how it has a high-low cut to it. You see how it's like a little asymmetrical type thing going on? Yeah, I am loving that. And since I'm showing you that, I might as well show you the front, the back, and the side, because I know that's what you're waiting for. This is what she's looking like in the front. This is the side. I'm loving the high-low. This is the back. The side. And the front. And this is Miss HH MiMi. She's definitely worth you dolls looking into. And if you want to know more information about her, especially where I purchased her from, you can always check down in that info box below, because the link will take you directly to the website, at least where I got her from. So on that note, dolls, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget, we got to stay socially connected, so please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.